Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to crop images in Canva. First of all, open up Canva website and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, create a design or select any one of the template from here. Now, you need to upload your image. If you have already uploaded, you can find the image here, or you can also use the template from here. Now, to crop the image, you need to click on the image and click on Edit Image button here. And you can see crop option right here. You can also double click on the image and go to crop section. Here, if you select the freeform aspect ratio, you can crop anywhere and anyhow you like. But if you click 1:1 ratio, it will be of a square like this. And you cannot adjust it like freeform. Here are also many other options like 16:9, 9:16, 5:4, like this. You can also rotate your image from here. So that is how you can crop your image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.